Morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Joining us in this Holy Eucharist are our brothers and sisters visiting us from Legazpi. They are from the Don Bosco Agromechanical Technology Center. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. My dear friends, towards the end of our Gospel today, the people who witnessed the miracles, the life-changing words of Jesus expressed these words. He has done all things well. He makes the deaf hear and the mute speak. Marahil sa unang pagkakataon, nakakita sila ng mga ganoong milagro. Maybe those things they only hear from news, from the chismis of the people then, that this man Jesus was performing miracles. But now they can clearly see, indeed he has done all the things well. He makes the deaf hear and the mute speak. More than an exclamation to what Jesus did, this calls for an immediate realization to all of us that those who do things well would not disturb or distract life, but will contribute to the growth of one's life. Ang gumagawa ng masama ay patuloy na nakakapinsala. We've heard how in our first reading since then, Solomon was praised for his wisdom, how Solomon was really good in his life. But then, tables turned. Solomon worshiped gods. Solomon was able to be in relation with many women. Solomon then turned his back to God. And Ahijah, the prophet, came to Jeroboam saying this, kung hindi lang nagkasala ang iyong ama, itong si Solomon, walang mangyayaring pinsala sa buhay na ito. We remind ourselves, my dear brothers and sisters, that realization I've said a while ago. Ang gumagawa ng masama, patuloy na makakapinsala. Maybe if one person is but thinking human rights all over his life, such person would not enjoy or endure the thongs of the consequences of his or her action. Kung ang isang tao, bukas Valentine's Day na, tapat po sa inyong pagmamahalan at pangako. Kung naging tapat siya sa kanyang pangako, then you live a beautiful life. But when he or she cheated on you, saw someone else while you are in a relationship, not faithful to his promise, then you see the pinsala of the relationship. But if he or she is faithful, loving and caring for you, you see the growth of this relationship. If you are always late in your class, in your work, makikita nyo yung pinsala ng inyong paggawa ng masama. Di na kayo on time, you were not able or you won't be able to accomplish your to-do lists today. So on and so forth. Ang gumagawa ng masama, patuloy na nakakapinsala. This is but good news and a realization to all of us, my dear brothers and sisters, that as we bear and do all the things well, it is not only for people to be amazed that we have done a beautiful act, but because we have done goodness and beauty to their lives, this add grace, mercy, and beauty to their own lives and to their experience of God's love in their lives.